So my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video we shall be looking at this aspect of such strategy. Okay, this is now the second lab because the other one was the first lab. So the first lab was also broken into two. Even this one I'm going to break it into two. They look somehow related, but they are not that related because I'll be bringing for you what the explanation you are seeing here are not that the same. Like here they are saying you follow the same component. Okay, you start by identifying your key concept. After identifying your key concept, so this just to break down your research question or topic into its main component or theme to form the foundation of your research. So identifying the key concept helps you focus the research and clarify the scope of your research. For example, if you have a question here, what are the social and economic impact of gender-based violence in rural areas? So the key concept here we have gender-based violence, GBV, social impacts, then economic impacts, and we have rural communities. Okay, so these are basically the key concept which we have identified. So here, after identifying the key concept, the next thing you need to do is also simple. You need to go and do the selection of such term. What kind of term are you going to use? Okay, so basically using a variety of terms ensure you capture a broad range of relevant literature. It will help you bring in more information, not just to narrow your information basing on some few areas, but at least you must be in position to capture relevant information from relevant literature. So for example, gender-based violence. Okay, looking at the gender-based violence, so the synonyms here we are having is intimate partner violence. That's what you can use. You can also say domestic violence. You can also say sexual violence. So related term, also we have violence against women or gender violence. Violence is not only against women, it's also against men. Okay, so it must be two-sided, not only one-sided, as you all know. Boolean. So the third one is just Boolean operators. Okay, so when you're using Boolean operators, nothing has changed. You are going to use the operator like and or not to combine or exclude term, refining or broadening your research. So when you have to explain, and just narrows the search by including all specified terms, or broaden the research to include any specified term, so not exclude specific term to avoid irrelevant results. So basically, if you are using, you can say maybe gender-based violence and economic impact, retrieve result containing both. So let's first try copying this. Okay, let's try copying that. Okay, and post it here. Okay, so I'm going to post it there. So let's search. So this is basically what you will be seeing. Okay, gender-based violence, economic security, and the potential basis. Gender-based violence is also economic impact on women. A case study of Hawassa city in Ethiopia. Okay, so that's when you're using Boolean operator and. Okay, now let's come and look at this one here. Okay, the second bit of it. Yes, so the second bit of it. So we are here. Let's copy that and try using it here. So this is what it will be bringing for you. Okay, now also let's go and try doing it for this part here. Okay, let's change this one to not. So basically that's what you will be seeing. Yeah, that's what it will be about. So this is the second lap and how it always work. So my dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment until we meet again in the second video.